Frustrated with the WTF Library DLL pop-up ruining your stream? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you the professional way to patch your game files. To start the walkthrough for WTF Library, you can follow my technical guide or use a utility designed to optimize your system configuration. This is the WTF Library. Within the context of the Warcraft Text Format, WTF, this library manages localized configuration files and user interface account-specific data. It handles the localized parsing of .odd.wtf settings files. If corrupted, localized game settings, keybinds, macros will reset to default. Now let's apply the fix by reinstalling the shared system library. This problem is usually rooted in a missing graphics or compute runtime dependency. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore the legacy DirectX architecture. Then update your graphics drivers to ensure all hardware-related files for WTF Library DLL are stable. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the WTF library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Restart unsuccessful, no problem. Let's jump straight into step 3. Remember to pause the video if you need to double-check your inputs. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Warning: WTF Library. DLL missing error is often a symptom of a larger issue that a simple manual download will never be able to fully resolve. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. The repair utility linked in the description provides structured information on managing WTF Library and system health. If your workstation is back online and WTF Library is running smoothly, please consider subscribing. It's the best way to support our mission of providing safe, reliable solutions.